Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we're gonna join David as he walks around Vivid Sydney to see some food stalls. There's a lot of people roaming around now, and thankfully the pandemic is over, lockdowns are over, and Vivid Sydney is back. So David is still looking and walking towards the light. You can see the food stalls are over there. If you are the type of person who fancies coffee to go during the evening, this is your stall right here. You won't really get lost with that large coffee signage on its side. Here it's time to visit the bright lights. The X barbecue, charcoal barbecue, pork belly skewers, yum. You have meatballs and pasta, also Greek. I think that one's Italian, this one's Greek. Korean food. You have fried chicken, corn dogs. Very diverse. I actually like this food stalls. Of course, this one's schnitzel. Pretty nice. Boss cheeseburger and chips. Also this one, you can see there. Dogs and balls. Okay. Bao buns. I think this one's Vietnamese or Chinese. David is now off to find other places to go. So here's some food carts. So I would really categorize this as food cart because it's got wheels. You can cart around. You get some chefs cooking. This is more high-end, the Emmy's Gourmet. This one's chips on a stick. Got that helix potato cut and skewered on a stick, and there's a fairly long line waiting for their turn. You have this boba tea. That's boba. Pretty nice stall actually. Looks like a stereo, old-time stereo. So if you're walking around and you just want to grab a snack, or you don't fancy to get full-size dinner and you want some dogs and balls, you can just buy something, and while you're walking you're also eating. Just be careful not to shove that stick up your throat. It's gonna be efficient way to move around, eating while walking, taking in calories while consuming new calories. There's more here. Churros. Very bright lights, to be honest. Very nice.
I love churros.
They're inviting.
Handcrafted in store.
Hello sugar. Okay. Not too much though.
Order now your fresh churros.
Fried sticks. Fried O's on a stick. Ice cream, of course. Gets some fruits. Melon, fiesta, watermelon. Okay, yeah. This one's just a van. Pretty happy. Coffee, ice cream, everything. I think that's my favorite. The last one. David is ready to move on. Let's look at this one. Snack out. Of course. Literally snacking out. Korean corn dogs. Nice. No shortage of options when it comes to food choices here. Mate Pinoy. I think this is a Filipino. Yeah, that's a Filipino cart and an American barbecue. It's pretty nice. Fries, briskets. This one's here, pretty detached. I think this is ice cream cart. There's more here. If you're just gonna go around, it's gonna be enough to look around stalls because the designs, I actually like them. Fairy floss, of course, for the kids. You see the kid there. Some lightsaber action going on. Pastries, yum. Thick bucket, nice. Milk and sugar. I think these are dessert sections. The other ones are for meat, fries, chips, and things like that. Coffee, of course. And time to move on to other stuff. Walking around. So thanks for joining. If you enjoyed this walk, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. David will walk more, show us around Sydney, the vivid Sydney this year. This is the harbor. And we'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.